What is going on, YouTube? It's your girl Easy Breezy, and I'm back with another hair sponsor. Thank you so much, Nadula Hair. All right, they sent us a Kinky Curly V-part unit. Now, I'm not gonna lie, this is the first time I'm using a no leave out V-part unit on my channel. Now, with this, I would at least do a little bit of leave out, but they want me to, challenge myself and do it with absolutely no leave out. So I'm like, this is like way out of my comfort zone, but I'm gonna try it today and we're gonna make it look as natural as possible. All right, so this is the proper braiding pattern that you need for a V-part unit. Now, the braids don't have to be anything special. They can just go down, but you do need those braids in the centerpiece. So you can choose if you want a middle part or a side part. Now, the reason why these braids are going straight back is so that the combs can anchor themselves in the braids and you don't have like a really wide part. So that's kind of like the key to this. So right now I'm trying to put the combs on these braids that are going straight down, and the part is just so wide and it's not really working. So before I actually figured out how to do it, I was kind of struggling. So yeah, y'all are gonna see the ups and downs, the turmoils of this hairstyle before it actually ended up looking great. So right now I'm trying to use my brush to tease the hair a little bit so you don't see that little piece of net, and so it can kind of close up the part a little bit. But y'all, I had no idea what I was doing. So after a while I had to get Raven to kind of take over, but in the meantime I'm going to make the front look a little bit more presentable and add my edge control to it. So you know what I'm saying, listen, if we ain't gonna have nothing, we gonna have some baby hairs. Okay, period. All right, so this part yeah, it's getting wider and wider by the second. So I'm just gonna let Raven handle it so she can show me how she installs her V-part wigs and she makes the part look natural and not so wide like how I was making it look. All right. So this is the point I realized that, you can't really anchor a comb on the braid that's going down. The braids have to be going back so they're more secure and they don't go nowhere. So normally on my channel, when I get curly units or kinky curly hair, I wet it all the way down and throw a bunch of products in it. But today I wanted to do the exact opposite. I wanted to comb it out, keep it dry, and just make it big and voluminous. All right, so I am trying to hide the track a little bit more and close up the part a little bit more. So Raven told me the key is to tease the hair. So that's what I'm doing, and it's already working. Okay, I'm not mad at all. Now, of course, this is something really different from what I'm used to, and it's gonna take some time for me to actually perfect this method and this technique, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm not mad for this being my first time. All right, so this is the final result, and y'all, it looks really natural for the most part. Now, if you're all up in her head, you will see the imperfections, but I feel like the more I do this, the better I'm gonna get at disguising that part. And the easy way out would have been leave out, but the point of this video is to show you guys how to make it natural with absolutely no leave out at all. So once again, thank you so much, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring this video with this Kinky Curly V-part unit. If you guys want this exact wig, I'm going to put all the information in the description below. But wait, I did want y'all to see what this wig looked like wet, right? So we did do a big voluminous look today, but listen, don't sleep, because you can still do a really pretty wet and wavy look with this exact same wig.